So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna talk about one of the interesting trick that I was working on Stable Diffusion with the help of Controlnet. And yes, you can definitely see noise offset Lora. It's an amazing trick that I found. One of the user on the Reddit posted this trick. It's literally amazing that you can go and add details into your image. First of all, let me tell you, in order to work with this trick, you need to go and download this noise offset Lora. You can go and download it from Civit AI website. And guys, after downloading this Lora, let me first of all tell you where to paste it. Just go on to your Stable Diffusion directory, go on to your models, as I'm already on Stable Diffusion directory, go on to the models, go on to the Lora and just paste it over here. See, I've already pasted epic noise offset safe tensor. So you can paste it over here, and with the help of that noise offset Lora, you can go and experiment with this trick. Let me tell you, yes, definitely it's amazing with the help of Controlnet extension. As you can see, this was the image that I was using on Controlnet extension, and I was using depth layers and depth model over here. Yes, definitely it's amazing trick that you can go and add details to your image if you have generated any image and if you want to add details to it. As you can see over here, I was just experimenting with like different weights of Lora with like epic noise offset 0 weight, with 1 weight and 1.5 weight, and you can see the difference over here. Pretty amazing. The results are pretty much amazing. You can go and experiment with like different weights as well. You can go about 2.0 as well and about 2 weights as well. So guys, first of all, let me overall show you how to work with this trick. The first thing that you need to do is that just generate any of the image on text to image section. Just upload that image onto your Controlnet model. You can definitely see this was the original image and these are the result with noise offset. And the next thing that you need to do is that you can select any preprocessor and model. The guy who posted this trick on Reddit used depth layers model, and yes, definitely the result with depth layers are amazing. So I was experimenting with this model only. The next and the most important thing is that just upload Lora prompt over here. If you have downloaded that Lora, then you can come on this section and click onto Lora. You will find this Lora file over here. If you just click onto this, it will automatically update your Lora prompt over here. And yes, in order to show you what difference does it makes, I was just using prompt SR. You can definitely see with like 0, 1 and 1.5. So this was the thing that I was using in order to show you the difference. And now let me show you how does it work. So guys, the first thing we will do is that we will just generate any of the image without using Lora. So we will delete this Lora prompt. Let's delete this and let's turn off this first of all. See, I have turned off this and I have turned off like script as well. So let's generate and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this is the result that I got without Lora noise offset. And the next thing we will do is that we will just upload Lora over here. Just click onto this section, and after going on to Lora, just click onto this. And then after uploading the Lora prompt, just come on to bottom, and in Controlnet model, let's upload the original image. So let's upload this image, original image, and then let's turn on Controlnet model as well. And one more thing that I was doing was that I was just using XYZ plot with prompt SR. You can definitely see I was using with like 0, 1, 1.5. So that's the thing that I was using. And the next thing what I will do is that I will just add some of the details on the prompt as well. And now let's see what result do we get. So guys, as you can see, that is the result that I got with like totally different weights, 0 weight, 1 and 1.5. If I show you the original image as well, this was the original image. And yes, there are a lot of changes as well. Just compared to like this part of the body, there is part missing over here, and on 1 weight as well, definitely there are a lot of changes going on. This part of the armor is missing as well. And if you see 1.5, definitely it's very close to this image, but you can definitely see the image just got a little darker and something what realistic lighting as well. So that's how guys you can go and experiment with like epic noise offset. If you want to change the details of the image and get something like a realistic style, then yes guys, you can go and experiment with epic noise offset and Controlnet model as well. Now what we will do is that we will try to add some more details to the prompt as well, and we will see what difference we will get. So let's change the prompt and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this time I went on with different theme, and definitely you can see this time it's totally different theme. First of all, let me show you. I just added snowfall at night, snowfall city street, and here as well, young woman leaning against the wall in snow. So that's what I changed, and this is the result that I got. And yes, if you see this guys, definitely amazing result with like Controlnet and epic noise offset Lora. See the details going on. If you see on 0 weight, yes, snow going on over here, and if you see on 1 weight as well, definitely amazing result. I just loved each and every of the image. And if you see 1.5, it's a night image, but yes, there is a snowfall theme going on over here. So that's how you can go and add some details to your image. And if I show you the original image, See, this is the original image and look at this images. Totally different and totally detailed image as well. So yes, it's totally amazing trick that you can go and experiment with Controlnet model and like Lora epic noise offset. Now guys, let's jump on to like different image as well and let's see how does it work with like different theme as well. So guys, this time I went on with like different style and you can see this was the result that I got. First of all, let me show you. This was the original image that I used, and after updating with like Lora epic noise offset, this was the result that I got. Let me open the original image. So this is the original image, and with zero weight you can definitely see, yes, the result is pretty amazing. There are a lot of changes going on with this image as well. Yes, definitely we got a different image, and if you compare it with 1, you can definitely see it got darker, and with 1.5 it got totally dark. So I think so my prompt was not good with this, so we will try different prompt as well with this image only, and let's see what result do we get with different prompt as well. So guys, as you can see, this is the result that I got. What I did this time was that I just deleted every night and dark word from the prompt, and after that I generated this, and this is the result that I got. If I show you the original result, see, this is the original image, and if I compare it with like 0 weight, you can definitely see, yes, changes going on as well, and with 1 weight definitely it's a darker, but yes, the result are pretty amazing. And this time on 1.5 as well, you can definitely see amazing result. This time we got amazing result on 1.5 as well. So what I did was that I just deleted night and dark word from the prompt, and this was the result. Compared to the early result, yes, definitely this result is even great. That's how you can go and experiment with epic noise offset and Controlnet, so you can get some amazing result. You can change the details of the image and you can get some amazing result as well. Your prompt also matters in this. If you go on changing your prompt, then yes, definitely you will get some different result as well. So guys, isn't it amazing that you can go and add some details onto your images? And yes, definitely it's an amazing trick to go and experiment with. So that's it for today guys. Yes, I will show you some more images that I generated using this trick, and then I will end the video as well. So that's it for today, and I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.